Indigenous gravitational tension technology. Founding tribe, Vatsonga people of Southern Africa. Founder, collective Vatsonga ancestors and master weavers. Nature of knowledge, intergenerational indigenous science, developed through observation, practice, teaching, and refinement. Gravity known through crafting. Sangu and Xitheve weaving show that gravity was understood through practical work long before it was written as a formal law. The Vatsonga observed that heavy objects always pull downward, and that this downward pull can hold fibers straight, flat, and stable. A stone does not need instruction. Its heaviness naturally creates force. Stone weights pull down. The stones act as natural tension devices. When tied to fibers or placed on the mat, they pull or press downward. This keeps the reeds aligned, prevents looseness, and allows the hands of the weaver to work with control. The heavier the stone, the stronger the downward pull. The role of the equation, Fg equals mg. The equation Fg equals mg describes what the ancestors already used in practice. Fg means gravitational force, m means the mass of the stone, g means the pull of the earth. Therefore, when the mass of the stone increases, the pulling force also increases. In Sangu making, this means heavier stones create stronger tension and better stability. The wooden structure holds the process. The wooden frame gives shape and support, while gravity performs the tightening work. The frame holds the fibers in position, but the stones keep them under steady tension. This creates a balanced system. Wood gives structure, fibers form the mat, stones supply force, and hands guide the weaving. Knowledge before formulas. This technology proves that science can exist before written equations. The Vatsonga did not need to name Newton or write mathematical laws to use gravity correctly. They observed nature, tested the method, improved the craft, and passed the skill to the next generation. Conclusion. Sangu Xitheve is indigenous gravitational technology. It uses the Earth's pull to hold, flatten, align, stretch, and stabilize fibers. The equation Fg equals mg explains the force, but the craft shows the knowledge in action. This is science through practice. See the force, use the force, teach the skill.